What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Um, so I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but it's gonna go through a couple different things. Um, Market recap. So Bitcoin's around 43, 4,400 right now, fluctuating between there. Last couple days, Litecoin made a pretty good jump from around, had hovered around 45 for a few weeks, and then it's up to about 60 now. So that made a pretty good impact on the market. Monero, as I think I said in the last video, is still holding. Let's see where it was at. Monero's around 130 right now. So the big coins, I always associate with the top 10: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Monero. The majority of them are starting to increase in value. Again, so I think we can, we said a few weeks ago the bull market is back, but I think it'll continue. It'll start to affect the other coins as well. Neo is actually down about 10% right now to about $33. I guess there was an announcement from the Chinese government of some sort saying that the ICOs were going to be stopped for Neo, or not stopped, but the ICOs were going to come under more scrutiny. Sounds like similar to what they were saying about Bitcoin a few months back when Bitcoin was around $1,000. So, yeah, that's pretty much where things are right now. I expect Neo to go back up, within a few weeks. I'm still holding, collecting gas in my wallet, and I'll continue to do that for the foreseeable future. Checked a few hours ago, haven't checked recently, but OMG and Pay had made a couple small moves. It looks like Pay is coming back down. Yeah, took a little dive. Pay token, it's around 4.25 now, which is where I started buying a week or so back. So had got up to around $5 almost earlier, but now it's back down a little bit. So hopefully it'll continue to uptrend. OMG Go, see where that's at right now. OMG Go is around $9. Also took a dive around the same time Pay token did. Had hit a high of $10 a few hours back. So we're still, in good shape, I think, with both coins. I'm definitely holding these long term, as I said before. And I'll check back in, occasionally with updates on what, I feel is going on, how we should proceed, or how I'm going to proceed. And that's that. Also, the last few days, going back to about the 25th, Monaco's really taken off. I saw in crypto's news a few nights ago that they're expecting a wallet release within the next few days. I'm not sure if any information has changed with that, because it definitely took a dive in the last few hours. But I almost put a little bit of money into it when he said that on his show, just to ride it temporarily. And I don't know if I would have had enough wisdom to sell by this point. So I'm glad I didn't. Would have still been in profit right now, but I don't know. Sometimes you just don't make the move when this seems like the better idea. The risk reward, So yeah, everything else is pretty much going good in the crypto space. There's been some announcements coming out about Russia banning certain cryptocurrencies from what they say are normal residents from acquiring, to protect them. So the more we see that, I think could also push the price up even more. in the short term. I don't see it pushing it may push the price down in the short term, really short term. But I think once people really get idea of that, it's, you start outlawing things that people are already using. I think you're going to really push demand for it even more. And that'll be something I think would come about if we start seeing this happen more often. And also, we actually seen heard the U.S. government is planning some type of regulations of cryptocurrency. So I think that could be a good thing. Yeah, but I think we're going to continue in this bull market for a little, or at least a few weeks now. I'm continue to hold on my coins. I'll definitely be looking out for. I may participate in this Red Pulse ICO. I have to see if U.S. residents are allowed. But I've been thinking about it just because it's the first ICO on Neo. It could have some use cases. It's like a pay for information type of ICO from what I read. It's something I'm going to look into. I want to kind of dive into something a little bit earlier. I still have my Civic as well. So I'm still acquiring Civic, have acquired a decent amount of Civic. And that's also something I'm going to hold for the long term. But I'm just looking for these smaller coins. As I see these other coins graduate to what I see as new levels, Litecoin, Monero, Ethereum going back around 400, Bitcoin hitting all-time highs. I expect that these other coins will take their place, in those price ranges, if that makes sense. So I would expect OMG and Pay Token to start to take off as the other coins become more expensive. People take some of those profits and buy into these smaller coins, and also as new people come into the space and look for coins which may be more affordable for them. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Still just grinding today, trying to get a couple things done. I'm going to have a new website I want to come out with in the next week or so. I'll probably have some type of just basic starter course or document which will just walk you through just setting up your account and doing the basic things with crypto. And if people are responsive to that, we'll go from there. But once again, I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to watch my video. If you have any questions, put in the comments. If you like the video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram @legal_Jones. And y'all keep buying that crypto.